Hi, I'm Jaspal. I'm director of Fenza Exhibitions, and we are organizing this Asia LabX exhibition, second time in Chandigarh. So this exhibition is basically focused on laboratory instruments which are used in various industries for testing purposes like quality control, analytical, and in various industries these instruments are going to be used for the testing purpose. So this is the second time, and this year we have more than 150 exhibitors, and we are expecting more than 5,000 visitors from here. And you can find every segment over there. For the laboratory segment, you can find glasswares also, analytical, chromatography, microbiology, and chemicals and consumables. So this is the biggest exhibition in this area in North India, which totally focused for the laboratory segment. So I hope this will be going to be a good exhibition for the visitors, and wish you all the best and thank you for all your media persons who came here. Thank you.
Dr. Birdi, I am a director of Primedium Pharmaceuticals, which is a group company of Apollo Tire Group, and I am very thankful to the all organizers to invite me over here. As we all know, India is growing in the pharmaceuticals, and as per our honorable Prime Minister, we called as a world pharmacy. So this type of all exhibitions of a quality equipments always help us to build our product with the quality, and also to analyze R&D, and this will also help us to market our product in all over the world, whether it is a regulated market or a rest of world or Indian market. So I am really excited to see all the counters, which shows a very new technology, advanced technology for a quality control of all our formulations in the API we manufacture in India. Thank you very much.
I'm founder chairman of Indus Biotech Limited. It is a company in Uttarakhand. It's a public limited company, and I have been invited here to this inauguration, this kind of well organized exhibition of analytical instruments, and people from all over the India has come here, and for the benefit of the industry. This is pharma industry, chemical industry, and I have seen a lot of instruments and other accessories which are being displayed here, and very good manufacturers have come here. Mostly in the years earlier, all the instruments used to come from abroad, and now it's being made in India, and a lot of innovation has been done here, and it is in the benefit of the industry. Also, our technical staff had come here, a lot of companies there, and they are conversating themselves with newer methods, newer development of the testing methods. So it is so good for whole area of our here, from Uttarakhand, Himachal, as well as Punjab. We are benefiting from such exhibitions, and awareness is coming up. So I think such exhibitions will contribute a lot for us, and that's why I'm here, and it's very well organized, and to the international standard, I can say. So thank you very much for all the work to the organizers. I wish them great success. Thank you very much.
भगवान का नाम और ध्यान घर में रहेगा हर वक्त। सकारात्मक प्रभाव वेदाक्ष धूप बत्ती से। वेदाक्ष ज्योतिष सेवा संस्थान द्वारा अभिमंत्रित धूप बत्ती रोज, मोगरा और बेलपत्र की महक से लक्ष्मी का होगा वास। वेदाक्ष धूप बत्ती।